So if you want to get some answer of the number of cases of listing, listing people in one line, you have to think about, for example, just I think in all permutation problems, permutation problems, we have to think that about adjacent or not. We first have to think about this. If it adjacent, we have to think about bundle, bundle up, as one thing, and suppose that there is just one thing. And if not, it must not adjacent, we can say we can insert, we can list other things and then insert them. So example 1, we can say that if there is 3 male and 2 female, and 2 female have to sit continuously, and we can say that there is female 1, female 2, and there's we can say there's 3 male, and we can say that we have to bundle and 2 and 3, and we have to bundle this female, it is adjacent, so bundle up, and then we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 4 blocks and 4 factorial, and then females have to change their seat, so we can say there is a 2 factorial. And then if we do not, like for example, example 2, there is a letter, small letter A, B, C, D, and capital, A, B, C. And in here, it says that small letters must be left of capital. So small letters have to be left of capital. I want this condition like this. So if we have to find out the number of cases like this, we list these 7 letters, but small characters have to be the left side of the capital. So we can just say like, first you have to write ABC, and like I just write this A, B, C, but by left side there have to be small character, and like this, and then lastly just one character goes anywhere, just you want. So we can say that we can just list it by yourself, but we can say that the capital, there is always small character by the left side of capital. So and then we can understand, this is we must not list this capital adjacent by themselves. We have to insert, or we have to take apart this large character, this capital. So we can say that it is just a block, 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 and block. And then we can say that we can list these 4 blocks. So just to write 4 factorial, and then first this 4 factorial is kind of like B, A, C, and blank. Okay, we list it, and then we multiply that there is small character. There's there's a small character, but we did not list it A, B, C, D. So for example, B, C, A, D. And then okay, we list it 4 factorial. So we can say the answer of this number of cases is 4 factorial multiply 4 factorial. Or if you do not like this, you can just write like I said, we can insert it. Just you can write small character A, B, C, D, and then we can insert the capital. But you can't write, you can't insert in this point, because if you write, for example, A on here, and there is no character, no small character can be on the left side. So you have to pick these 4 places. So just the small characters A, B, C, D, 4 factorial, and we can insert it by permutation, and 4 P 3, and we can get just 4 factorial multi, same answer. And so as you can see, the permutation problem, I can define that if you solve permutation problem, first you have to sequence, like you have to list it. You have to think about sequence, and you have to position, think about the position. Like I just write really easily, but you have to think before. What if I first list these 2 female or male? I have to think, or bundle up, or divide, or insert. I have to think about it. So first, you see the position of people you have to list, or you have to just list. You have to see the position, and so that I have to do it before, or I have to do it after. In this case, for example, if in this case we bundle these females before and after, we just list these 4 blocks. But if we list these 4 blocks and after we plug it, it cannot, it's just error. We cannot do that. So you have to think before and after. Before I will do this, and then I will do this, and then I will do this, and that will give me answer. So you have to before and after. And for example, in my cases, in my note, there is that male and female. Usually, we have to think it first. Like male and female, we have to think it first. Male. So we can first block, first bundle it, or make a 1 block. Also, like some condition, condition. I think this have to be first, For example, there is a condition of this. We have to first think that we can't just list it and after we put the condition. That cannot be said. It is just error and it is false. So you have to first think the condition, or male or female, and then after you can list it. And number 2 is just easy one. we have to think that people choose places or versus least people on place. It looks like same, but it's different. Yeah, and so if you list it, you have to think that I'll just think people first. Yeah, this is people. We have to think about people first, and then they choose the seat, or list people on seat. Think about place first, and then think about people. So you have to think. Yeah, this I think if you want to solve a permutation problem, watch sequence before and after, and then you have to think I'll make these people on this seat. Yeah, you have, I think in this people is most important and in this place is more important. So you have to make your own perspective to solve these problems.